Hi guys! Chicken Marsala is a classic Italian dish. This version includes chicken breast cooked with mushrooms and a rich, creamy Marsala wine sauce. This is another simple and delicious recipe made with just a few ingredients. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 garlic cloves minced, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 3/4 cup of Marsala cooking wine, which could be found in the oil and vinegar section of your grocery store, 1 cup of chicken broth, and a half cup of heavy cream or half and half. Begin by slicing chicken in half horizontally and pounding thin to form cutlets. Season both sides well with salt and pepper. Dredge each piece of chicken in the flour, shaking off the excess. This will form a nice crust for the delicious sauce to adhere to. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook chicken. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. Remove chicken, set aside, and wipe pan clean. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once butter has melted, saute mushrooms and garlic over medium heat. Season with salt and pepper and cook for about 4 minutes. Add Marsala wine and bring to a boil. Let simmer over medium-high heat for 2 minutes. You don't want to substitute Marsala wine sauce for anything else because that's what gives it its great flavor. I used to be apprehensive about cooking with wine, but I realized the cooking process will burn off the alcohol. Add chicken broth and heavy cream or half and half. Season the sauce well with salt and pepper. Let simmer until slightly thickened, about 3 minutes. Return the chicken back to the pan. Spoon over some of the sauce on top and remove from heat. If you want the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. No need to go to a fancy Italian restaurant tonight. With just a few ingredients, I have this delicious dinner. We have lightly coated tender chicken breast and mushrooms cooked in this rich, creamy Marsala wine sauce. So yummy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.